Okay, we got a few more welding accessories, so welcome to my channel, and let's get into it. All right. This is for the TIG torch. So is that. That's I believe a 12 and a 10, or a 12 and a 14. Yeah, 12. And I'm pretty sure that's a 14. Yes, it is. I'm gonna open up all this stuff in a minute. Got some center punches, or automatic center punch. Mine is getting a little weak. I might be able to fix it, but bought me some more anyway. And that was desperately needed. Cheater lens. I hope I got the right one for what I need. And that was from Welder. And some magnets. And this is also for the TIG torch. I'm probably not going to open this and show you little pieces. You see what they are. These are the collet body, or like gas lens, whatever you want to call it. It's for those. And we have a TIG torch holder, magnetic base. Set your torch in there, and then the piece where the tungsten goes up in here. That's pretty cool. So let me get these packages open. Oh, wait a minute. Got a little bit of a bonus. Also got this. Now this is for testing my capacitor for my AC, home AC. As you can see. Anyway, let's get these packages open and show you a little closer up, and I'll set the camera up on the tripod. Okay, first up, I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. This is the meter. A Cajun coin hunter recommended this, so this is the one I got. Don't know anything about it yet, but I bought it to test my capacitor for my AC, because they say it's going out, so we're going to see. Came with a screwdriver. Don't need that to put the battery in it. As you can see, it's got a little screw there. It's also got a little kickstand, which it don't really clip back in very good, but whatever. Comes with a book. And the leads. Comes with the leads. Show you this end. Just like any other voltmeter leads. Nothing special. I'll show it again. I don't remember how much it was. Got it on Amazon. It wasn't that much. I'm not going to put a link to this in my store, so because it's for AC work, not mechanical work or welding stuff or whatever. So there that is. Oh, it came with a 9-volt battery. Next up, we have the cups. This is a 12. This one is a 14. One of these, this one here, kind of weird looking, because the hole in it, I'm going to have to adjust on that. The hole in it ain't very centered. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a little off. It is what it is. They came in these little cups. No big deal. I'm probably going to put these and this other stuff in the kit, the other kit that I got that I showed in my other video. All right. Next up, we got the automatic center punches. I don't know why that, well, they're both loose. Anyway, Figured these would come in handy. Like I said, I got one that's a little bigger than this, a brass one, but sometimes it don't punch. You know, when you push down on it, it don't punch. Let me show you. Can you see that? You hear I punched? Sometimes everybody knows what an automatic center punch is, right? Anyway, the one that I have, sometimes it doesn't do that. It just don't do anything. It came with 2 of them, and they're both loose. So I got a spare in case one messes up, and I even have some extra tips. Came with 2 extra tips that you put in it. So that's pretty cool. I don't think my other one came with any extra tips. But these are pretty handy to have. So I figured I'd get me a couple more just in case I need them. So there that is. Next up, I'm not going to open both of these because I don't want to get them scratched until I go to use them. So I'm only opening one. I'll show you. The other one's in a package like this. It's in a wrapper, plus it's wrapped with like cellophane. But anyway, I don't know if you can tell. There you go. One side's closer up. I guess it's the 2.0. These are going to come in handy, I hope. Let me see a little better when I'm welding, right? Next up, we got more of these. I guess you can see what that is. It says it holds 50 pounds. They're pretty sturdy, pretty strong magnets. Let me show you. Be right back. Okay, I already have some smaller ones, I guess for getting in tighter spots or whatever. These came from Amazon. Actually, all of this stuff came from Amazon. And I'll put links to everything except for that meter in my store, right? Amazon store. You have checked out my Amazon store, right? You should. But anyway, you see how small this one is compared to this one. These are going to hold much better. These will hold small stuff, but for something heavy, they really don't work all that good. That's why I got these. And there's 4 of them. Here's 2. No, I'm not getting them from the same place. And here's 2 more. Let's see. I'll show you. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you don't think I'm lying to you, right? All right, like I said, I'm not going to open these. See what these are. This is, these are the cups. This is not the gas lens, I guess. These are, and the collets for to hold the tungsten. Probably going to put these, the 12 and 14 that I showed you, and these right here in this little pack in the other kit that I already got, like I said, that I already showed in my other video. Because this little container here really ain't that good, and they had it taped with clear tape this way and this way. And of course, you know, when you rip the tape off, it tears off their logo sticker they had on there, and it tore off the part number on the bottom. So let me see if I can show you these without dumping everything out. There's everything out of the packages, and every one of these was in a Ziploc bag, these 2 was in a Ziploc bag, these was in a Ziploc bag, these was in wrapped separately, and of course the O-rings, these was in the bags with this, in the bag with this, but the O-rings was separately, and so was these, all in little Ziploc, separate Ziploc bags. Pain in the butt. But it is what it is, I guess. I lied. I'll see if I can get one of these out and show you. Out of this Ziploc bag. If I can get my fingers to work right this morning. I guess you gotta cut it. Yep, it was sealed. Not anymore. Oh, it's in a Ziploc bag, in a Ziploc bag. How stupid. And this has to be cut too. Probably help if I could cut straight. Anyway, that's that. That's how that works. Screw. That's just a cap. The black thing is just a cap. If I can take it off. Your tungsten goes through here with one of those other little collets. Just want to show you. Of course, if you know how to weld, you already know that. Anyway, put the black cap back on. Just wanted to show you all this stuff that I got. Welding accessories. So, till next time, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.